Introducing the Winter Arc Challenge. Your 90-day head start to 2025. Are you ready to take on the ultimate challenge and make 2025 your year of triumph? The Winter Arc Challenge is here to help you kickstart your journey to success with a 90-day head start. This is your opportunity to set the stage for an incredible year ahead and achieve your wildest dreams. Why wait until January 1st to start working towards your goals when you can get a head start right now? With the Winter Arc Challenge, you'll have the chance to begin making progress towards your New Year's resolutions before the year even begins. Imagine how empowered and motivated you'll feel entering 2025 already, well on your way to achieving your goals. This challenge is designed to help you build momentum and create positive habits that will set the tone for the rest of the year. Whether you want to focus on health and fitness, career advancement, personal development, or any other area of your life, the Winter Arc Challenge will provide you with the structure, support, and accountability you need to make significant progress. With the Winter Arc Challenge, you'll join a community of like-minded individuals who are all committed to making the most of the next 90 days and getting a head start on their 2025 goals. You'll have access to resources, tools, and guidance to help you stay on track and overcome any obstacles that may arise along the way. So are you ready to take the Winter Arc Challenge and set the stage for an incredible year ahead? Don't wait until January 1st to get started on your goals. Join us now and give yourself the gift of a 90-day head start to 2025. It's time to make your dreams a reality.